Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to turn off Google Assistant option on your ALCATEL One S 2021. First of all, go into Google application, find this one and open. Then on the top we got our Google account, so click it and go into settings. Then go into Google Assistant and then need to scroll down and find general option, this one. Click, and on the top we got Google Assistant, so turn off, confirm one more time to click turn off, and that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.